So you want to start your first business, but you don't know where to begin? Maybe you've got an idea, a dream, or just the burning desire to be your own boss. Well, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn that dream into a real, money-making business. Step 1. Find the right idea. Every successful business starts with one thing: an idea that solves a real problem. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Start by asking yourself, what problems do I see around me? What am I passionate about? What skills do I already have? Let's say you're good at social media, and you notice small businesses in your area struggle with their online presence. Boom, that's a business opportunity right there. Step 2. Validate your idea. Now, here's where most beginners fail: they skip validation. Don't build something just because you think it's cool. Ask real people if they'd pay for it. Talk to potential customers. Run a quick Instagram poll. Set up a free landing page and see if people sign up. If no one's interested, great. You just saved months of effort and money. Step 3. Build a simple business plan. Don't get scared by the word business plan. You don't need a 40-page document. Just answer these 5 questions. 1. What problem am I solving? 2. Who is my ideal customer? 3. How will I make money? 4. What will it cost to run this? 5. How will I reach my audience? That's your roadmap. Keep it simple. Keep it smart. Step 4. Set up your business online. This is 2025. You don't need an office. All you need is a professional-looking website. Use platforms like Wix or WordPress. Social media profiles: Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever your audience is. A payment system: Stripe, PayPal, or bank transfer. Get online and make it real. If people can't find you online, they won't take you seriously. Step 5. Attract your first customers. Your first customers are your foundation. Don't wait for them, go get them. Reach out to friends and family. Offer your service for free or at a discount for testimonials. Use social media reels, posts, and short videos to create buzz. Don't focus on being perfect, focus on being visible. Step 6. Keep it lean, learn fast. You don't need a fancy logo, expensive software, or office space to start. Keep your costs low and focus on learning, not just earning. What's working? Double down. What's not? Fix it or ditch it. Keep talking to your customers. Feedback is your business compass. Starting your first business isn't easy, but it's worth it. If you follow these steps, you'll be ahead of 90% of people who never take action. If this helped you, drop a comment below. What kind of business are you starting? This is your time. Go build something great.